Well, Happy New Year 2024 to all you YouTubers out there. It's my first ride out of the year. It's still a bit cold, but the sun's out, so we'll make the most of it. And of course we're on the new bike, which we'll come to later on. So 2023 was a really good year for us. Really got into the spirit of the scooters, I think, last year as well, with the rallies. Started off with the Helmsley meet, which is always a good meet. Well attended, and that really goes in the mood for things scooter related. We went to the Scarborough meet on the weekend, and again the turnout was absolutely superb. Hundreds if not thousands of bikes, and again some really good bikes on show, and again great weather, so really get into the spirit of them. Then it was our first camping weekend at a rally, and that was Kelso, up on the borders near Scotland. Actually, it might be in Scotland, I'm not sure now. It used to be at one point. And again, thoroughly enjoyed that. Great time. Saw some superb scooters there. But before then, went back into four wheels for a short while with the Lotus. And we did the North Wales Snowdonia 360. 360 miles around North Wales. Some of it was horrendous, don't go to Anglesey, so a total waste of time. Although the track there is a nice track. But the rest of Wales, through Snowdonia, oh superb, really good, really recommend that. And then of course we did the big tour on the Lotus, and that was Europe. Drive down the south of France, we stayed at Nice, went to Monaco, drove the track on the Formula 1 circuit, which had just finished, so there was still the stands up and a few bits and bobs. Drove over to Italy, spent a bit of time around Lake Garda, visited the Ducati factory, which is something I've been wanting to do for ages, since I've had a few Ducatis in my time, being very lucky in that respect. Then drove up to the Swiss Alps. We did obviously the Stelvio Pass. Yeah, brilliant. I think there's 40 hairpins, and the car was just superb throughout it all. We might go back there on two wheels. Still undecided. It's definitely a bucket list ticked off, that one, but we'll have to see about that. And then we went through the rest of Switzerland, St. Moritz, and then on to the passes, the San Benito Pass, Furka Pass, Grimsel Pass. Superb roads, really were superb roads. And it was still quite warm, even though at altitude and there was snow on the side of the roads. It was still really good. And then obviously back through France. And then back onto two wheels for the Isle of Wight rally. Now we went down in the camper van because we actually spent a fortnight on the Isle of Wight. Took the Royal Alloy down on the back of us and set up camp and just scooted out every day. Weather wasn't bad. We had a couple of bad days, but really totally enjoyable, 100% enjoyable, and definitely do that again, the Isle of Wight. That was mainly it, apart from a few weekends away. Obviously we did a lot on the bike. The Royal Ally got quite a bit of attention this year on things which I haven't seen done before on YouTube. So we did the steering head bearings, which needed doing. And then we've just done the Royal Alloy heated grips, which again were really good. And I hadn't seen anyone do that before on YouTube, so hopefully a few guys have learned a bit from the videos this year. And then we rounded the year off by selling the Triumph Street Triple, which I was so looking forward to riding when I bought it, but it just didn't work out. I don't know why. The later model was just not set up, not usable for a pillion passenger. So that went. It was a bit disappointing. But I've always had big bikes, and then I decided to buy the Z1000 SX Ninja. Many years ago, when I started out biking, I was always a Kawasaki man, so it feels like coming home to Kawasaki getting this one. And it also reminds me a lot of my first big bike. I had a ZX-10, which was the rocket ship of the time. Again, another brilliant bike. But this one is just unbelievable. The power, I think it's 140 brake horsepower, but weighs just over 230 kilograms, something like that. The power's immense. So this is getting some used to this shape. Definitely going to tour on it. Probably set off doing like a Scotland, the NC 500, or the west coast of Scotland anyway. And then more than likely do our Europe trip again, but on this, on the two wheels. But before then, we're going to still continue with the Royal Alloy. Helmsley made, obviously, Scarborough, Whitby. The two big ones this year, though, are going to be Tenby. We love Tenby. We go to the Ironman at Tenby just about every year. Gorgeous place, Tenby. And I'm really looking forward to going to the rally there. And this year, for the big one, I think we're going to do Brighton this year rather than the Isle of Wight. We're going to do the Brighton Mod Rally, which again is something I'm really looking forward to. So yeah, it's going to be another action-packed year on the channel. For those of you who subscribed already, oh, by the way, massive thank you. In October, I reached 1,000 subscribers. Now that just blew my mind. That is so good. It really is brilliant. 1,000 subscribers. Can't thank all you guys enough for tuning in and supporting me in that respect. And hopefully I'll keep delivering the videos that you've been enjoying and some new ones. Well, that's it for now. Yeah, thanks for 2023, great year. Roll on 2024, and I'll see you on plenty of videos coming up. Keep the faith.